everybody, and welcome to more Satisfactory. And we have our factory up and running. We got it up and running in the previous episode, and I kind of just as you can see, I've decided to do the awesome sinks only to kind of keep our factory running, just to see what that would do to our power, and also kind of making use of this as an opportunity to get more coupons or tickets. But I'm rather alarmed at our power consumption right now, as you can clearly see. Especially after I just upgraded our power plant. So we're pretty much... We can't expand beyond this point, or else we may have problems. So I guess probably we'll just let this run, and if possible, I'd like to maybe also put a few more of the resource sinks, just so I can keep everything running. I'm gonna need more materials for that, so I'll be right back. So I kind of thought about this for a little while, and we can build more coal power, but I feel like we could also progress into unlocking oil, and then once that we do that, we can our power can literally just go through the roof. We could do that, or we could build more coal power plants now. And there's really nothing wrong with either option. But I'm kind of thinking towards the future. Like, why should we build coal now when we could build oil later? And in order to progress, we pretty much have to make all of these things. And of course the smart plating we actually made early on in the series. Which is reinforced plates and rotors. And but the other things, we need these modular frames and steel beams. And these ones, we need stator and cable. But for all those other products, we also need to make an assembler as well. Like this is the stator. And that's the rotor. And this is the reinforced plates and the modular frame. But even without the thing is, our factory's still basically making a lot of things. I guess I can definitely tell right now is we're still at very high power usage. So it's probably best to wait for that to come down. At least come down from being maxed out. And I think while we do that, we could set up all machines over here. Okay, now we have pretty much all of the project parts that we need being made. I just need to get some storage for these to start piling into. Okay, this is what what's required for the space elevator. Welcome back. After hours of AFKing, we finally have all the things we need. I'm gonna need more inventory space, so I'm gonna have to put a lot of stuff away. Anyway, I'll be at the space elevator when I'm back. Okay, here we are. And now I just gotta put everything in here. And we are ready to send this off. And I'll be back at the main base when I'm there. And as we can see, we have 3 more tiers unlocked. Oh, so it was just these 2. And of course we now have oil and some more manufacturing stuff. And also, this is the fuel generator, which will it's going to be another power source for us. And ooh, the jetpack is going to be very fun. And also trains. And so I would like to unlock before the end of this episode, I would like to unlock this, maybe this, although we'd have to set up oil to unlock this. But I would like at least this. And well, for that we're going to need to actually set up oil processing. But I feel like we should work on getting this unlocked next. And I think we could dismantle all of this now. Or at least the very, very end of the process. Well, at least now what we can do is we can actually reuse some of our existing production and into some of the things we actually need. Okay, so let's unlock this, shall we?
Milestone reached. Oil acquisition and refining unlocked. Oil-based products can now be made. The byproducts of oil refinement can be used after further processing, as seen in the refinery. Caution. This is a reminder to minimize the chance of expiration during out-of-base activities.
And with that, we'll bring the end of this episode. And next episode, we're going to find oil, set up processing of that kind of thing, like with the plastic and rubber, and probably and hopefully also work towards improved power generation. And perhaps the maybe next episode we'll be doing that we also have to make computers if we want to get into trains. So anyway, thank you for watching. This has been me, Dusty Circuit, on Satisfactory. Stay tuned for more of this series and more of my content. Remember to like, rate, comment, subscribe, and peace out.